Xiaomi Media Temperature Controlled Shower Head N1, elevating your shower experience. Xiaomi has introduced a new addition to its Media Smart Home product line, the Media Temperature Controlled Shower Head N1. This innovative shower head is designed to provide users with a comfortable and customizable showering experience. Currently undergoing crowdfunding on Xiaomi UPen, let's delve into its specifications. Two-part design for versatility. Bullet. The Media N1 features a two-part design, comprising a fixed shower head and a detachable hand shower. Bullet. This design allows users to enjoy a broader showering area with the fixed head or target specific areas with the hand shower's integrated spray gun function. Precise temperature control. Bullet. A highlight feature of the Media N1 is its temperature controlling capability. Bullet. The shower head comes equipped with a separate temperature control knob, enabling users to adjust the water temperature precisely to their liking. Multiple spray modes. Bullet. Users can choose from 3 different spray modes: boosted hand shower for a powerful flow, gentle sun shower for a soothing experience, discreet lower water spray for specific needs. Bullet. Switching between these modes is effortless with a simple button press. Customizable water output. Bullet. The Media N1 offers flexibility in controlling the water output, allowing users to customize their shower experience according to preferences. Hygienic and durable construction. Bullet. Xiaomi emphasizes hygiene with the Media N1, which boasts a brass body that offers high antibacterial protection. Bullet. The shower head claims to provide 99.9% protection against common bacteria such as Staphylococcus aureus and Escherichia coli. Bullet. To ensure durability, the temperature adjustment knob utilizes a ceramic valve core, extending its lifespan. Bullet. The water outlet is crafted from liquid silicone, resistant to aging and ensuring long-term usability. Integrated spray gun function. Bullet. For added convenience, the hand shower of the Media N1 features an integrated spray gun function. Bullet. This feature enhances usability and allows for targeted water flow when needed. The Xiaomi Media Temperature Controlled Shower Head N1 aims to elevate your showering experience with its precise temperature control, multiple spray modes, and customizable water output. With a focus on hygiene, durability, and convenience, the smart shower head offers users a luxurious and personalized bathing experience.